So apparently there was an altercation between two ladies at the Sting Music Festival in Jamaica. Lady Redwig and Lady Whitegown for the purpose of this presentation. The expectation is that there should have been a musical war of words between the ladies, colloquially referred to as a clash, but one clearly misunderstood the assignment. Moreover, I think the production team said clash and they heard crash and burn. Now, apparently Lady Whitegown has a pet cat that she quite fancies, and she's very anxious to tell everyone about the cat. For the purpose of context, in the Jamaican vernacular we say puss. So Lady Whitegown hurries to tell the patrons that her puss is clean and her puss is fat. All the while, this clearly aggravated her rival Lady Redwig. We are uncertain as to whether Redwig has a puss of her own. Maybe she's not a cat person. We don't know. But while Lady Whitegown grasped every opportunity to tell us about her clean fat puss, it seemed to rub Redwig the wrong way. So I'm inclined to think that Redwig may very well have a puss of her own. Ladies and gentlemen, it got heated. Lady Whitegown dropped her white gown to reveal her culturally appropriate blue drawers, and Lady Redwig's red wig went flying. Could it be that Redwig's puss is not clean or fat? Maybe she owns a margapus. Or is it possible that both cats have gone missing? Judging by what happened on stage, ladies and gentlemen, I would not be utterly surprised if both pussies are cowering in fear. And then again, maybe, just maybe, Lady Redwig had a cat that was old and bewildered and probably died tragically. Consequently, she doesn't want Whitegown to talk about her cat. So we could bring Redwig's reaction down to her being devastated from not having for herself a proper puss. Anyway, judging by Lady Redwig's mentally disturbed reaction to Lady Whitegown, and given the fact that one cat might be dead and another on the loose, I am presupposing that this may have somehow involved cruelty to animals, so I reckon that somebody might need to call the JSPCA. Ladies and gentlemen, what was supposed to be a stellar performance turned out to be a cellar performance, as in cellar under a boathouse. Miss Pearlgran's son. Yo, this is how the clash should have actually gone down. Lady Redwig is already on the stage. Lady Whitegown is about to come on, so Lady Redwig adequately positioned herself poised at the edge of the stage. Zine. So as Whitegown come up on the stage and Redwig go say, "Rise, dirty bongo." So you know, so White gonna go step on the stage with attitude, and she have to do her pageantry and walk around and do her wave and all of that. And when she done that, she hold her mic and she go say, "Boom, you never stop at 5 when your quiver full. You never stop at 10 another man you pull. You pull a bujo band 10 past 11, my girl 13 is a baker's dozen. One man do we do it, that I do it. Well, as you know, Nico mash up my life. Me say it once and me fan sing it twice. But all when do we pull a butcher knife and a spit in your eye, girl, still I say your wife. Do we why you mash up she life? Then my big woman I go come with a rebuttal and cause she go say at least me still have my husband. Man nearly mad you, who that gully bop? Using for bus and catch pan him, yeah top. One lock your eye and a drop your drop. All it try, girl, your thing don't flop. Right now you dead we you go cemetery. Commit your carcass at the seminary. Me say something to you. Whole a dictionary in a 2023. Guess who I got legendary? Ha ha ha. And me say something power, but you something flap. You lose the weight and flabby like sour sap. Anyway, you catch me. Me can double tap, but you shape like iron board. Everything just flat. Ha ha. Amari, me say crazy, never lazy. You say you want the war, but you not faze me. Amari, I want queen in the park. When me I do the queen wave, you have to chat to me back. Ha ha ha.